Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two electric head shavers that will leave you buzzing with excitement. On the left, we have the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor, and on the right, we have the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver. Get ready for some close shaves and even closer comparisons. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the most important thing, the shaving performance. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 claims to have a flexible and smooth 7D floating head shaver. That's like having a personal barber giving you a smooth shave every time. But wait, the Microtouch titanium has not one, not two, but 5 stainless steel titanium bonded independent floating heads. That's 5x the coverage area of a razor. It's like having a whole team of barbers working on your head. Now, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 boasts an upgraded detachable shaving head. It's designed for those who love a clean-shaven head but hate dealing with a messy razor. Just detach the blade and give it a good wash. It's like a spa day for your shaver. On the other hand, the Microtouch titanium is water-resistant and has a built-in hair capture chamber. Say goodbye to those annoying trimmings all over your sink. It's like having a personal butler cleaning up after you. Now, let's talk about battery life because no one wants their shaver to die in the middle of a shave. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 offers 90 minutes of working time after just 1.5 hours of fast charging. That's like having a marathon shaving session without any interruptions. But hold on, the Microtouch titanium has a lithium-driven battery that offers a whopping 80 minutes of continuous runtime off just one full charge. It's like having a shaver that never gets tired. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor and the Microtouch titanium electric head shaver in 3 categories. And while both shavers have their strengths, the Microtouch titanium comes out on top. But hey, remember, everyone's preferences are different, so make sure to choose the shaver that suits your needs the best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more comparisons, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a buzzworthy episode. Until next time, stay sharp and buy smart.